Okay, second game po tayo between CAS and Oryx basketball team. Correction po tayo ha. Please take note po. Ang game po ng QDF versus Sky Team po will be tomorrow, October 4. Ha?
Share ko yung naglaro kanina umaga? Naglaro kami kanina?
Nandiyan ako.
Umaga? Umaga ka lang.
Ayun o.
Okay, sige. Salamat.
Sesa lang pa. Again, I repeat po ha. The game between Sky Team and of course, QDF po will be played tomorrow. Second game po sila. I repeat. Maraming salamat po. Eratong po yun. Ipe-paste ko po yung corrective schedule later po. Hop! Melvin, inbounding. 2-0 ang score. Lamang na po ang Oryx. Melvin, pops up. Wala. Pops up again. Wala pa rin. Pero walang kawala. 2 points. Sige po. I repeat po ha. The schedule for tomorrow, second game po to is between Sky Team and QDF. Second game po sila for tomorrow. Maraming salamat po. The corrected schedule will be posted later after this ball game. Chudelax, Pulintan, Albert to Chudelax again. Yul, Kumat, number 19, 2 points. Medyo depleted ang ang kas ngayon Number 30. Ramos, Matayas, lost the ball. Black ball. Black ball. Nice one. No good. Foul. Number 1, Pulintan shooting for 2. Medyo depleted ang ang lineup ng first shot, Pulintan, wala. Second throw, Pulintan, jumpers ready. Pulintan, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 7-none. Wala sila lumawag Matayas. Number 30, Dapitan, 3 points. Dapitan, 3 points. Pulintan, Albert, tumingin ang bola. Albert, driving strong. Ayaw. Melvin, no good. Rebound again. Melvin nagkanta ng bola. Melvin again. 2 points, Melvin. Pwede palang pang ringless si Melvin. Nice one by Canton. Wala pa rin. Chudelax ang rebound. Chudelax again. Now to Mr. Pulintan. Driving strong. Pulintan. No, it's Melvin. 2 points. Melvin again. Dukot sa ilalim. 2 points. Melvin. Back-to-back field goal spawn. Mr. Melvin. Aris is watching. Mr. Montesil is watching. Canton. Dish of pass. No good. Rebound by Chudelax. Kick pass now. Number 1 again. Pulintan. Kapos. Up. Nice one by Dapitan. Number 30. Dapitan for 3. Kapos. Number 11. Driving strong. 11. Nice one. Basic play by number 11. That's Castor. Melvin. 11-5 ang score. Darkus, Marasigan, driving strong to Melvin again. Melvin, wala. Chudelax, 2 points. Chudelax, 2 points. Aris Sirius watching. Si Mr. Montes is watching again. Coming up next po is Mechanicos and Projects. After this game, Marasigan ang rebound. Kick pass kay Melvin. Melvin, nawala ang bola.
Para pa nang bukas. Okay, sige.
Inanos ko lang sa live na rin. Okay, nagtaka ako.
Kaya nandito sa kayo pa na kanina.
Saka yung sa QTF din.
Okay, so.
Balik ko rin ko agad. Pag din sa bahay, yun, may abagapit kagad ako. Eh, pa ina-announce ko na. Ina-announce ko na. Okay, ano po I repeat again po the next game po is between Mechanicos and of course, nandiyan po ang Mechanicos and Projects. And of course, again, I repeat po, second game po tomorrow po ang Sky Team versus QDF. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Mamya, updated schedule po. Ipopost ko po mamya. Thank you very much. Okay, 13-7 ang score po natin. 5:02 remaining. Okay, balik tayo. Okay, sinatur na yung sinatur ngayon. Of course, si number 3, si number 10, si number 0, at si Soliano. Sa kabila naman, of course, nandyan si Romel, si number 15, of course, si Asinjo, si number 30, si Matthias Sander, at Sinisa, wala pa. And timeout called. Cash called for the timeout. At timeout po ang Team Cash. Medyo pansin niyo po, medyo depleted po ang lineup po ng Cash ngayon. Baka may duty po iba. Okay, baka may lipad di makasama rin nila. I repeat po tomorrow's game po, ang game po tomorrow will be scheduled as follows. First game tomorrow is QR Towers and Airport United, and second game po is Sky Team versus QDF. Okay, maraming salamat po. Mamaya, may updated schedule po kayo po-post po. May ratong po doon sa schedule ko ng Sky Team tsaka QDF. Soliano. Ruiz. Pops up. Wala. Dapitan. Matthias Sander. Dapitan naman. Dapitan. Foul. Number 3 called for the foul. Dapitan shooting for 2. First shot, wala. Second throw, 4 minutes 22 remaining. Wala pareho. And shoot, nandun na. Of course, secured na ang bola ng itim. Natur. Al Natur, binababa ang bola. Al Natur. Double team, diving strong, intercepted by Romel. And si Matthias Sander. Matthias Sander, 2 points. Okay, Matthias Sander o si Dalita yan. Matthias Sander, 2 points. Pinabalik kami ni Ruiz ang bola. Ruiz. It's Natur, 2 points Natur. Mabilisan ang exchange. Natur, 2 points. Romel. Number 33. Asinjo. Romel again. Binabawaan ni Romel ang bola. Asinjo. Nope, it's Matthias Sander. Matthias Sander. Out of bounds. Uy. Labrado. Again, balik ulit tayo. Oh, late ka na. Okay, Ruiz. Ruiz, binababa ang bola. Ruiz, pops up. Ayaw. Pops up again. No good. Rebound by Ruiz. Nakuha ni Matias Sandro ang bola. Still completed. Matias Sandro driving the ball. It's Romel. Malakas ang bola. Black ball. Ay, kamuna. Isipin mo lang bro. Pag so magsalita ka rin. Magsalita ka. Magsalita ka. Greet mo yung gusto mo i-greet ko. Same ball. Isipin mo lang. Gusto mo i-greet mo yung
Time out! Ha? Congrats pala sa PSD sa Foundation Day. Yung nanalo is Yellow Tigers, champion sila. First runner-up, Blue Eagles, congrats. Go Blue! Okay, timeout over with 2 minutes and 40 seconds left in the first quarter. In favor of Oryx team. Oryx ba to?
Go bro.
Okay, ball possession, Oryx. Intercepted ulit. A good pass to the inside. Finish. Oh. Foul call. Inbound play to be done by Oryx team. Pass to Melvin. Foul. Long pass. Nothing in inside Melvin. Pass, but it is fast break play. It's good. Score is now 15-13.
Thank you, ating idol.
Ito Martin is back.
Okay, thank you very much po sa ating kay Mr. Anak po ni Mr. Ano yan, ng coach po ng CAS. Al Natur, pops up, kapos. Thank you sir, thank you. And balik muli po sa Maroon ang bola. Maroon ball again, Maroon. The score is 15-13. Parang team diesel ang CAS ngayon ah. And Romel against Ruiz. Romel. Nakuha ni Soliano ang bola. Soliano steal the ball. Same ball, dapitan. Asinjo, 2 points. Asinjo, 2 points. Deadlock po tayo. 15 all. 1:05 remaining. First quarter action. Ruiz. Nakalusot. Luis. Popping. Nope. It's Dwight. No good. Rebound by Natur. Natur. Protecting the ball. Natur. It's Ruiz. 2 points. Ruiz, 2 points. 42 seconds remaining. First quarter action trying to close. Romel. Nope, it's Romel. Asinjo. Romel again. Romel Roldan. No good. Nice steal. And good ball. Tapitan for 3. Wala. Asinjo, 2 points. Nice save by Asinjo. And Mr. Soliano against Romel. Roldan and walang pinasahan si Soliano. Okay, that's it. First quarter is drawn to a close. The score is 17 all. Nice quarter for both teams. Di makali. Oh, komentan mo rin. Komentan mo. Sina? Hindi, komentan mo. Samahan mo ako. Kaya pagsalita mag-isa eh. sige lang. Sige naman ang din yan. Okay, with me now, Mr. Dimakali.
Hello, hello.
Okay, first game po tayo. First game, hero po yan po ng in-flights. Okay, now ito si Dapitan for the inbound. Sir, ang masabi mo sa laro po natin yan, sir?
Tayo game, kulang ng konting energy lang
Medyo,
siguro.
pero cash point, parang medyo depleted yata.
Oo nga eh.
Kulang sila.
Kulang sila eh.
Usually, more than 10 yan eh, kung dumating.
Siguro
Si Omas.
Sabi ko lang, ang laki nung Oryx talaga. Ano?
Oh.
Umaasa rin sila kay...
Okay, it's black ball daw. It's black ball nga. Oryx ba? Recently yan, kay Melvin. Buno Melvin yan. Yan yung dating alam mo natin, Airport United yan. Nag-boot siya sa Philippines.
Na inbound.
Okay, inbound now si Mr. Gakad. Now si Mr. Pilaw rather. Pilaw to Gakad again. Gakad. Nice swing. Number 1. Driving strong. Palpal. Pero may foul. That's a foul call. That's roll down. Called for the foul. Shooting to po yan. Ano ba saan?
Okay na ako.
O sige.
Papahinga ang pagod eh.
O sige. Matay tol. Okay, first shot. No good. Number 1 again. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second throw, pops up. Pasok. Number 1. 2 point for number 1 again. Roldan. 18-17. Roldan for 3. No good. Rebound. 2 points. Nice one by number 68. 68 Ben? 61 rather. Ramos. Nice wiped away by Roldan. Tamama ba sa kamay? And 61 again to Roldan again. Roldan, binababa ang bola. Kaya timpago nila, number 61. Roldan again for 3. No good. Rebound by the black shirts. Black shirts, the red, black shirts on the run. Pilaw, shake and pick. Pilaw, nope. Up, out of bounds. Balik muli po sa kasang bola. Yan si Pilaw, yan po yung dating kakampi po ng contact center. Medyo nagpayo lang kasi contact center muna, kaya naghati-hati muna sila ngayon. Iba po doon napunta sa may gawing projects. Iba po doon napunta na po sa may gawing, alam po natin yan, dito, sa CAS, sa Oryx din, napunta iba dyan. And Canton for 3, malakas. Number 20 rebound. Foul on Castor. 61 called for a foul. 8:28 remaining. Inbounding pa rin po ang Team Oryx, si Gakad for the inbound. Okay. Si 23. Driving strong. Number 1. Number 8, Pilaw. Nope, against Castor. Pilaw pops up. 2 points. Pilaw 2 points. Again, intercepted. Canton. Nope, it's Omas. Malakas. Canton for 3. Pasok. 3 points, Canton. Okay, 21-20 change pair na po tayo. Now, Cast now in the helm at 20-20. Foul! Tumatawag ito po. Kay Jun Ramos. Nice one. 2 points. That's number 17, 2 points, 20-12 po tayo. Canton. Driving shot. Foul on Gakad. Huli ka, boy. Huli. 7:28 remaining, 20-12 po tayo. Ramos for the inbound. Dobitz Canton for the inbound. Okay, Roldan. Roldan for 3. Nope. Rebound by the black shirts. Black shirts sa rebound. Gakad on the run. Nope. It's number 1 against Castor. Swipe away. Canton. Foul. Foul number 1. Omas for the inbound. Number 1, number 8, Roldan, dish of pass, Castor. Castor creating space, Palpal. Swipe. And Gakad. Gakad. Controlling the leather. Gakad. Okay, Gakad daw pilas. Nakarating po sa Gakad, dish of pass number 23, 2 points. 23-4-22. Canton, driving strong. Canton, 2 points, Canton. Canton, 2 points. And Gakad. Inbounding. Gakad against Canton. Swipe away. Again, Romel. Roldan, 2 points. 24-20 again. Labang na muli po ang red shirts or the brown shirts. Cash on the rebounds again. Now to Pilao. Dish of pass. No good. Rebound by the red shirts. By the maroon shirts. And now to Roldan. No good. Okay. Ano muna tayo? Steady lang daw tayo. Easy lang daw tayo. Gakad against Canton. Gakad lost the ball. Gakad. Kaliwa. Pasok ang kaliwa. Omas against Pilao. Castor. Scaffold. Nandun si Roldan. Tinawid ang bola. Roldan number 8. Castor. Canton. Castor. Ramos. Roldan. Thinking 3. No, pisa Castor. Wala. Black shirt sa karibang doon. 26 all. Number 1. Wala. Red ball. Okay, change 5 po tayo. Okay, si Castor lalabas muna. Papasok si Asinjo, si Mataya, si number 30. Sino mareretain sa kanila? Of course, nandyan si Canton. Of course, magre-retain po yan. At si Castor. Number 61 so retained. Okay, Matayas Sander. O si Dalita. Canton. Pops up. No good. Good ball. Nice swipe by Canton. Nako, malakas ang pasa kay Asinjo. Masyado malakas ang pressure. Bawasan doon ng konti. And si Albert. Marasigan. Polintan. Marasigan. Hustle play. Nandun si Castor. Nandyan si Canton. Kapos. Mababa. Polintan. Nako. Foul. Asinjo called for a foul. Foul on Asinjo. And of course, number 1, Polintan shooting for 2. Polintan, number 1, pops up. Wala. 3:55 remaining. Second throw by Polintan. Jumpers ready. Polintan, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Tap out. Brown shirts rather. And ayun na. Castor. Dapitan for 3. Nope. Black shirts. Polintan. Swipe away again. Balik po. Brown shirts. Dapitan is Albert. Matayas. Dapitan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Albert. Labrado. Malakas ang pasa. Again, Mr. Matayas Sander. Castor, pops up Asinjo, wala. Rebound by Canton. Fade away shot. 2 points. 2 points po tayo. Okay, balik muli po sa kalamangan po sa Team Cas ang bola. And kalamangan din po, Cas leading now by 2 points. And now Labrado. Wala. Rebound by Chudelax. Chudelax ang rebound. Chudelax with his face. Foul called. Matibay yan. 77, Chudelax shooting for 2. 2:31 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Second game po tayo. First shot, Chudelax, pasok. Second throw, Chudelax, jumpers ready. Coming up next po is Qatar Projects versus Mechanicos. Wala. Rebound and black ball. Black ball po tayo. Black ball. And again, black ball tayo. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the maroon shirts. Dalida pops up. Nope. Hoy! Ano yan? Holding foul. Holding foul on Dapitan. Balik muli po si Team ang bola. Number 30 called for a foul. Penalty situation po ang Cas. Pulintan shooting for 2. Papatay pa ka ni Dapitan called for a foul. Dapitan, number 1, Pulintan shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Malamig ba? Ano malamig ba? Malamig na ba? Okay, Pulintan, second throw. Pasok ang bola. 1:57 remaining. Second quarter drawing to a close. Calling now Mechanicos and of course Projects. Nasa na kayo? Kayo po susunod po dito. Magparamdam na po kayo. Galing niyo po yung baso. Pops up Canton. Wala. Matayas. Wala rin. Chudelax. Pagod si Canton. Labrado na kalusot. Labrado! Wala! Rebound by the brown shirts. Matayas. Asinjo. Binapatay ni Albert. Canton. Nice pass. Out of bounds. Nenan ni Kuya. Pops up number 1. 2 points. Again, lamang muli po ang team of foul called. Foul on Albert. Lamang muli po ang Oryx ng dalawa. 30-28. 49 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Dapitan inbounding to Mr. Canton. Okay, sinunod po sa atin yun. Shoutout po kay Mr. Demi. Yan, Elron Demi is watching. Si Dian De La Peña Ona is watching also. Rebound by Albert to Labrado. Malakas ang pasa kay Labrado. Labrado. Wala. Labrado again. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by, wala, mali pinasahan. Okay, 2 points, number 19. 12 seconds remaining. Matayas. Again, Labrado. 2 points again, Labrado. Okay, that's it. After 2 quarters, lamang po 34-20. Lamang po ng 6 ang team Oryx. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami after 5 minutes of halftime. Okay, dahil po kulang po ang team CAS, meron pong +2 kagad ang team Oryx. And of course, plus technical free throws team po for team Oryx. May ruling po kasi rito, pag mas bababa doon sa 10, matindi rin po ang babayaran. Naman technical free throws. Yan, tag-isa po sila ngayon. +2 na, plus of course merong technical free throws pa. Kung ilan doon yung difference. Wala rin. Wala rin. Chu Deluxe. Pops up. Chu Deluxe. Okay, good. Anton. Nasa ito. Yung mga kampin. Nilipad? Nilipad? Oh, sige, okay. Ay, yung nga pala. Championship pala kanina, no? Nag-championship kayo. O, panalo kayo. Okay. Okay, Darkas. Wala. And last po din si Gakad. Gakad, pasok. Okay, technical free throws po yan. Pag kasi kung ano po yung diferensya po, both teams po, bibigyan po sila ng +2 points na plus technical free throws, yung difference po. Okay, we're just waiting now for the second half to start. And of course, meron po tayong noon po ngayon dito. Ito yung mga gallery section po ng ating ng ating AFL. Yan, kahit yan, nandiyan po ipa po dyan. This game is sponsored with the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and of course, Shred the Needles. And of course, this game is maintained by, of course, yan po ang SPB Ako Referee Association, at of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Yan, so po yung niya, isa pang sponsor po, PSBQ Basketball League. Then, negotiating courtesy of SPB Ako Referee Association po. And of course, akin po, also sponsored by PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, balik po tayo. Second half start. Second half start, of course, si Roldan for the inbound, number 8. Yan, si Mr. Hasselman ng CAS. Along with Mr. Canton, number 3. Roldan, number 8, pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, battle won by the Black Shirts again. Ruiz, pinababa ang ball ni Ruiz. Malakas ang pasa. Too much power, my friend. Buwasan mo doon ng konti. Too much power. Canton. Number 10 against number 10. Roldan, number 8. Castor, Dukot, pops up. Danida, wala. Wrong tap kay Melvin. Melvin napunta ang bola. Ruiz. Al Natur. Driving strong. Natur. Wala. Castor. Canton. Wala pinasahan. Natur, driving strong, Natur. Ginala mo ng bola, pops up number 1, malakas. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin, no good. Natur again. 2 points, Natur. Power rebound by Natur. 40-28, lamang po ng 12 ang team Oryx. Nice one by Roldan. Nice slice. Slicing and dancing and popping by Roldan. 8:23 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Natur. Natur again. Pops up for 2. Balakas. Canton. Okay. 2 points Canton. Malayo-layo pa yan. Sige. 40-32. Laman po ng 8 ang Team Oryx. Same ball. Panalo pala Oryx kas kanina. Kaya pala walang player. Pagod lang. Lagi sila Bautista eh. Diba? Sila lumawag. Basta important. Championship kasi game number 1. Sila Scott na dun din. Ruiz. Dish of pass. Number 1. malakas. Palpal, nice one, nice defense. Foul called. Okay, roll down for the inbound. 7:28 remaining. 7:28 roll down. Roll down again from Dalida. Roll down, power move. Nice one, Casor. No, it's Ramos sana. Oh, good ball. Natur again, Natur, binababa ang bola, Natur nakalusot. Natur again. Kick pass, number 1. Wala. Naipit. Canton again, Canton, binababa ang bola ni Canton. Pops up. Nope, rebound by Natur. Natur! Oy! Offensive foul called on Natur. Referee says offensive foul. Roldan nakalusot. Roldan. Castor, malakas ang pasa. 6:37 remaining. Hop. Nasaan yan? Number 3. Ruiz. Pinababambol ni Ruiz. The lefty. Ang kaliwete. Ruiz, number 10. Double team. Swiped away. Nope, it's Melvin. Good ball. Brown ball. Nice guard duty by Asinjo. Substitution referee now. Sub-referee po daw sabi. Sino pa papasok? It's Chudelax from para kay Dwight. Okay, Asinjo. Inbounding. Roll down. Binababa ang bola. Tinawid na. Number 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Chudelax. Albert securing the top to Chudelax. Chudelax binababa ang bola. To Melvin naman. Melvin again. To Chudelax. Melvin. Wala. Melvin again. Kapitan. Labrado. Lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Cas ang bola. Cas, roll down. 40-32. 5:23 remaining. Roll down for 3. No good. Hop. Who's pa rep? Number 3 called for a foul. Labrado for the inbound. And to Melvin. Binababa ang bola. To Chudelax, driving Shong. Dish of pass kay Albert. To Chudelax again. Chudelax, hoop shot. No good. Asinjo, foul called on Labrado. Labrado called for a foul. And timeout called by Oryx basketball team. Okay, you're watching right now Team Oryx versus Cas. And afterwards, susunod po ng Mechanicos and QR Projects. This is your Aviation Friendly Gabas of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, Threading Needles and Team LBC, Harem Padala. And of course, SBB Pilipinas, Ako Representation, for maintaining the game in the neat and orderly fashion. Talita, no, Bralita again, no, it's Chudelax. Labrado, Labrado, nope, it's not swiped away to Roldan. Roldan, binabatan, Chudilas, binabatan siya. Chudilas, foul called. Nice foul by Michel. Warning for penalty for Team Oryx. 4:33 remaining. Napakaaga para sa Oryx para magkaroon ng ma-penalty. Ramos for 3. No good. Nando si number 33. Asinjo, 2 points. Okay, 14:34. Alin din na po kalabangan naman ng Oryx. Labrado. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Matayas Sander for the rebound. Tinawid ang bola. Dish of pass sa Sinjo. 2 points. Nice one by Sinjo. Okay, Albert. Mukhang siya muna nagbago niya go. To Melvin again. Melvin, binababa ang bola. Albert. Okay, Albert asking for the ball. Nope, it's number 1. 2 points, number 1. Eusebio, 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up. Okay, sabo na po tayo. Melvin para kay Pulintan. Of course. Number 1, Eusebio shooting for the bonus free throw. Pasok. Up. Number 1 also para kay Natur. And sabi ni Rendwell, Musli Opilencia, go Cast team. Nasaan ka, Opilencia? Miskan na namin dito. Canton against Labrado. Labrado, Canton. Canton, 2 points. Yan ang sinasabi ni Albert. Tirahin daw niya. 2 points Canton, 42-38. Laman po ng 4 na lang ang Team Oryx. Natur. Albert for 3. No good. Okay, good ball. Cleared. Canton, binababa ang bola. Cas on possession. 3:03 remaining. Number 3 again. Foul. Who's foul rep? Okay, penalty situation now. Team Oryx, Canton shooting for 2. 30 Canton, 2 shots given. Pasok. First shot made. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, 42-40. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang Team Oryx. 2:27 remaining. Natur. Number 1. Natur again. Natur. Pass. Labrado. 3-second violation by the referee. 3-second violation called by the referee. Balik muli po sa brown ng bola. Or maroon. Shall we say maroon na lang para mas maganda. Okay, Cas again. Binababa ang bola. Cas. Nakalusot si Dapitan. Dapitan. To roll down for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Natur. Uy! Madulas. Good break para sa Cas. Chance to tie the ball game. Again. 1 minute and 55 remaining. Dapitan. Nakalusot. Dapitan again. Hoy! Umas for 3. Yes, me! 2 points lang. Long 2. Tabla. Long 2. Umas 2 points. Long 2 lang siya. Pulintan. Wala. Rebound by Roldan again. Roldan. Binababa ang bola. Roldan. Kinakamata ng bola. Roldan. 2-on-1. Roldan. Dope. It's Natur. Labrado. Tabla po tayo. 42 tayo. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Foul called. Pulse pal rep. Number 33 called for the foul. Cass. That's Asinjo. Inbounding pa rin po ang Team Oryx. Whoop. Wala. One more time. Lost the ball. Roldan. Roldan, minamadil ang bola. Roldan. Roldan. Wala. Nadikit ang bola. 1 minute remaining. Nasa isa kasama yun? Ha? Isa kasama yun? Nasaan? Isa kasama yun? Dati mo? Silabas lang? Boring ata eh. Natur. Double team na. Number 1, Pulintan. Pops up. Wala. Oy! Wala pa rin. Rebound. Foul. Push pa rep. Teka lang. May meeting muna, meeting. Okay, referee says, Ref King calls for travel. Same ball, sabi. Traveling call on Cass. Balik po rin po sa Oryx ang bola. Okay, balik po. Ref King says it's traveling Oryx ball. Pulintan, Natur, nakuha ng pick, Natur again, foul call. May ano dito ah. Okay, Natur, Pulintan pops up, no, it's out. Saan ba? Walang na ano sa amin, sir. Okay, foul po. Okay, double warning po. Sinang tayo? Laro lang tayo, boss. Tapitan. Roldan against Sabrado. Uy! Good ball. Time to shoot. Pops up. Umas. Go good. Rebound by the black shirts. Sabrado. Foul called. Nadikit. 4 seconds remaining. Shoutout kanino? Casey Perez daw. Shoutout. Sige. Labrado. Swipe away. Wala na. 40 to all. Laro to. Okay, 42 all. After 3 quarters, tabla po tayo between Cass and Oryx. 42 all. This game is brought to you by the team, but the following sponsors, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and of course, ang paano po dyan po ay Thread and Needles. And of course, maraming sarap. And also, this game is officiated by SPB ako, o Referee Association. And of course, part of by PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, final quarter start.
Okay.
Black ball, 42 all. Final 10 minutes. Final 10 minutes. Ruiz for the inbound. Handa sapatos, sir, ah.
Ready?
Okay, for final 10 minutes. Okay, Ruiz. To Pulintan. Binababa ang ball ni Pulintan. Pulintan, naipit ang kote. Pulintan, dish of pass. Wala. And balalim. Naipit. Out. Out of bounds. Out of time. Time out. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up po tayo. Time's up. Roldan. Against Ruiz. 42 tayo. 9:25 remaining. Roldan number 8. Nakalusot si Roldan. Roldan number 8. Okay. So, Matthias Sander for true. Wala. Nandun! Pasok ang bola! Dapitan! Nasaan ka nang galing? Pumasok ang bola sa iyo. 44-42. 2 points Dapitan. 44-42. 9:01 remaining. Pulintan. Gakad. Driving strong. Sa ilalim. Dukot. Lumabas. And brown shirts. Dalida. Dalida. Wala. One more time. Dalida again. Canton against Gakad. Gakad. Canton. Binababa ang bola. Julius Mabagay. Sabi rito, meron siyang message. Canton. Canton. Castor. Malakas. Julius Mabagay. Sir, laman po ng dalawa ang cast. 42-44. Final quarter na po ito. Pulintan. Wala. Again, Canton. Na-intercept ni Gakad. Gakad. 4 on 2. Gakad kapos. Foul. Foul called. Okay, babalik ka muli ano. Balik po tayo. 8:02 remaining. Pasir, idol, balita. Jarap. Oo nga eh. Okay, balik tayo. Dapitan, Roldan. Binababa ang bola against Latour. Jason pass. Walang pinasahan. Balik City ang bola. Oh, Pulintan, nagmamadali. Pops up, wala. One more time. 2 point sana. Again, Gakad. Wala kong nilabas pang bola. Nilabas ang bola ni Gakad. Gakad, shooting for 2. Okay, sabi rito, may message dito. Shout out po kay Jurex Jorba, player of game, Mr. Ralph Castor. Okay. Pops up, wala. Rebound, Latour. 2 points, Latour. Ish. Matayas, default shot, no good. And Pulintan, 2 points again. Okay, lamang na naman ng dalawang Oryx. Nag-timeout po ang team Haas. Haas called for the timeout. 46-44, 7:06 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Saan galing?
Bumanday lamang, kanina lamang.
Oo.
Tapos meron pa silang ano.
Kulang pa yan. Di pa, ilan ba nagdarong taga ka sa inyo? Dami no? Wala akong pumunta rito.
Wala si James.
Wala. As in wala. Ano ba? Dikit ba lamang kanina? Ako galing ayun, kaya pala. Okay, tabla muli po tayo. 46 all. Black shirts on the run, on the move. Nako, mali pinasahan. Roldan, 2 points. Patalo! Hop! Technical foul. Bawal yun. Taunting. Number 8, call for technical. Bawal yun. Bawal yun.
Patalo si Albert!
Technical foul. Bawal yun.
Technical daw, ano yung kalaban?
Okay, pulling times for the technical free throw. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Okay. Pulling time. Technical free throw. Pops up. Pasok. 47-48. Okay, sabo na po. Sino? Two sub. Okay, Nato, nilabas muna para kay Chudilax.
Wala, pagkano ka eh.
Gakad, inbounding. Mr. Pulintan, binababa ang bola. Shoutout po dyan kay Scott. Sabi ni babagay. Okay. Pops up. Pasok! Chitilax, 3 points. Okay, 50-48. Lamang na naman ang team Oryx. Roldan. Pops up. No good. One more time. Castor. Asinjo. No good. Rebound. Hoy! Black ball. Red ball. Okay, Sir Martin, pasabi kay Scott. Loaded siya. Ha ha ha. Okay, thank you very much. Nasabi ko na. And Mr. Dalida. Dapitan. Castor. Asinjo, malalim, malakas. Okay, ano naman sabi ni Albert, steady lang daw tayo, sabi niya. Pulintan. Pulintan, malakas. Matayas to Canton for 3. Malakas. Malakas, out of bounds. 55 minutes remaining. Okay, Mr. Gakad. Gakad, number 3. Pulintan. Gakad, driving. Gakad. Pinasa kay Pilaw. Pilaw, malakas. Rebound, Albert. Pilaw again. Wala ang bola. Foul! For 37 remaining. Roldan, inbounding. Dalida or si Matay Sander. Castor. Asinjo. Roldan. Castor. Uy! Ouch. Nadapa. Nadapa. 50-48. Still, Oryx now holding on a precarious 2-point lead, 50-48. At 4 minutes 16 remaining. Canton against the Brado. Nakalusot. Dalida pops up. No good. Chudilax nag-rebound. Okay, Chudilax now sabi, ano muna tayo? Place muna tayo. Sabi niya to Albert again. Albert against number 3. Number 19, running shot. No good. One more time. 2 points. Number 19, 2 points. Naman ng 4. 3:47 remaining. Roldan. Matayas against Chudilax. Cutting. Castor. Canton. Fade away shot. 2 points. Bap. Okay, ano nga. Pagpag lang yan.
Good shot, bro. Good shot.
Pulikat na. Pinupulikat na. Pinupulikat na. 52-50. Laman lang. Dalawa lang yan. 3:33 remaining.
Sorry.
Nakalo. Hindi ba yung time? Tissue. Tissue. Ah, 3:33 remaining, 52-50. Okay, 3 minutes here. Okay, si Isa also is watching. Sir Isa. Pops up, Chudilax. 3 points, Chudilax. Chudilax for 3. It's good. 3:18 remaining. Nakalot si Matay Sander. Dapitan. Dapitan. Asinjo. Op. Lost the ball. Red ball. Istorbo ka. Sino ba? Asinjo. No good. One more time. No, it's Labrado. Labrado. Labrado sa pitan. Nawalang bola. Nawalang bola. Ito naman. Asinjo. Dapitan for 3. No good. Who's touch left? Okay, black ball. Albert for the inbound.
Grabe yung pang ano ni Musaber, no?
Albert for the inbound. 2:33 remaining. Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano nangyari? Bilis na. May... Okay, technical foul on Team Cass. Unsportsmanlike gestures. Chudilax completed the free throw. Okay. Okay, Marasigan for the inbound. 56-50. Lamang po ng 6 na naman ang Team Oryx. Okay, balik tayo. 2 minutes na lang yan.
Kayo magdadala niyan, sir. Inaayos lang namin yung laro.
Okay, ito tayo. Chudilax again for 2. No good. Rebound by Roldan. Roldan naman, binabato. Mataya Sander to Canton. Canton is for 3. Bang! 3 points Canton. 56-53. 2:14 remaining. 2:14 remaining. 2:09 remaining. Laman po ng 3 ang Cass. Chudilax. Out of bounds. Black ball. Out of bounds, black ball. Marasigan Albert for the inbound. Cutters. Malalim. Chudilax, 2 points. Roldan. Roldan, driving strong. Roldan. Canton. Canton. 1:43 remaining. Canton. No foul. Up. Stepping in the line. Okay. A minute and 38 remaining. 58-53. Laman po ng 5 ang Team Oryx. 137 remaining. 133 remaining. Number 19. No good. Rebound, Asinjo. Roldan. Roldan. Dalita. Malakas. Canton. 30. Same ball. Morong called for the timeout at 1 minute 12 remaining. Sabi ito rito ni Julius Babagay. Sir Martin, andyan ba si Dimakali? Umuwi na, pre. Nauwi na. Ay, ito. Ay, dito pala si Babagay. Dimakali, oh. Oh, Julius, nangungulit ka naman. Tinatanong ko, nandiyan ka pa daw. Tinatanong ko, nandito ka pa daw. Huh, 1 minute 12 remaining. 58-53. Bola ng Cas. Bola ng Cas. 12 seconds to shoot. Dalita. Asinjo. Canton. Canton against Labrado. Canton for 3. No good. Chudelax. Albert. Labrado. 101 remaining. Chudelax. Pilao. 2 points, Pilao. Okay, win again. Another win. Uy! Foul! Hindi ikaw. Albert called for the foul. Matthias Sander for 2. 45 seconds remaining. It's out. Second shot. Second throw, Matthias Sander. Pops up. No good. Oy! Okay, timeout called. Ginawa ka kasi. Sabi ni Babagaw, sabi niya Baba, Idol Dimakali. Wala
Dapat ginagawa?
Walang ginagawa.
Walang
Saan ba siya ngayon? Naka-press ba?
Bahay na ata.
Bahay ba? Kaya pala. 43 seconds remaining. 60-53. Seconds. 43 seconds remaining. 40 seconds shot clock given sa Oryx. Chudelax. Nakuha. Foul! Out of bounds. Sayang. 60-53 lamang po ng 7 ang Team Oryx. Labrado. Chudelax again. Nope. Kumatsana, hindi pumasok. Timeout called. Coach Owen called for a timeout. 60-53. Alanganin mo. The score is 60-53. 31 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action.
Parang binabad sa akin Hussein ah.
Game. Asinjo, 33 for the inbound. Asinjo, 33. Roldan. Canton. Canton. Foul. Wala. Penalty situation. Oryx. Canton shooting for 2. Penalty situation pa Team Oryx. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. 60-54. Lamang po ng 6. 23 seconds remaining. Nope. Nakuha. Hoop. Asinjo. It's Albert. Albert. Labrado. 2 points.
Iba talaga, best player!
Okay, that's it. I think so. Canton.
Ginagat!
Iba talaga yung Albert!
Albert called for the foul. 9 seconds remaining.
Grabe yung skill mo ah!
62-54. Lamang na 8 ang Oryx. It's in. Ayan yan, wala. Impossible. Kinapos, kapos din sila eh. Undermanned. But still, kudos pa rin sa Cas for giving a good ball game sa Team Oryx. Castor, 2 points for 7 seconds remaining. Lamang na 5 ang Team Oryx. Sino nag-timeout? Kung nga oras si timeout, pang ano yan? Parang statement yan. Parang ginawa ng ano ng team, alam mo yung Laos na ba sa Philippine team, di ba? Patapos na nag-timeout pa sila. Ginawa ng ano yung Laos, di ba? Naalala mo yun? Oh. Okay, final 7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds remaining. Okay. Pinili yung ano, pinakamalayo. Foul. Uy.
Dapat si Albert pinaul nyo!
Isa pa, may... Second team foul pa lang pala yan. Pilau. Okay, that's it. Okay, congratulations. Another win again picked up by Team Oryx. Okay, teka lang ha. Okay, congratulations for Team Oryx for giving a win. Okay, you watch now the final game and congrats for Team Oryx for winning, giving the win. Final score 62-57. Maraming salamat po.